Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can insert the SD card into this device. Now, the one that I have right here only takes SD cards. There's also one that could take a SIM card. So I'll show you kind of how you could insert a SIM card as well for mobile connectivity. But anyway, to get started, you need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided in the box with the device. And from there, you're going to pop out the tray that is located on the same side that you have your volume buttons and power key. So pop it out. As you can see, once you push it in, the tray comes out. And on the tray, on the front side, I guess you can call it, you have space for your SD card. And for me, like I mentioned, this is just the SD version. There is no SIM connectivity for me, but if there would be, you would have space right here. Instead of this like black filled thing, you could just place a SIM card. Now mine is occupied by this kind of like a dummy glued card or whatever you want to call it, and I cannot put anything in here. So anyway, let's grab our SD card, place it on here like this, so the chip side is visible from the other side, and then insert it back into the device. There we go. And as you can see, it's automatically working. And that is how you insert your SD card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.